Just loaded up with peanuts. It's probably the warmest it's gonna be now. I'd say low 50s. Look at the birds. The birds are going up there, grabbing them. Stormy's been over twice. Only have a few pecans left. Mama says we got another box of pecans coming tomorrow. We've had to go back to mostly peanuts because pecans are just so expensive. And the peanuts aren't cheap either, but and people tell you that peanuts are no good. But hey, squirrels are out here. And life expectancy in the wild is about 2 years for a squirrel. Most are not dying because of poor diet. Look, they're all starting to come out now. It's the warmest part of the day. See the little ones. Who's that over there? Who's that? Who's that over there? That's Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea, you hopping around? Sweet Pea. You want a peanut, Sweet Pea? Huh? You want a peanut, Sweet Pea? I got him down here. Here. Where'd you go? Sweet Pea. Yeah. Oh, there she goes. Here they come. What do you want? Looking for pecans? We're kind of low on pecans, guys. Oh, somebody's chasing a female. Who's that? Who's that? What you doing there, little one? Oh, look at Stormy. Stormy's back. Look, Stormy. Stormy knows where to come. All right, I got one more. I got one more for you, Stormy. Here. Here, Stormy, 1 second. Stormy. Stormy. Here, we got one more for you. Last one. Stormy always gets it. Thursday afternoon. Been a great week. It was a great week up until this morning. Doctor's office called me, and I was there last month, and they wanted me to come in for some stupid reason because they forgot something, a certain test or whatever. Just really aggravating. And I called email back, and I said, oh, you don't have to come in. You just gotta send us results. It's agitating because everything in the medical industry is aggravating. They send you bills because they're mistakes. They get the wrong number on a code, and you spend so much time being a secretary or correcting their mistakes, and they keep making them, and I think they make them on purpose. This one's out of network, that one's out of network. And they wonder why people end up snapping. I mean, it's crazy. It just gets so annoying. I hate stuff that just wastes your time due to incompetence. I can go on forever about it, but that's why I'm back here with the squirrels. Oh, peace and harmony to forget your troubles. Who's that coming? Oh, Stormy, you're back. I don't have any more pecans, baby. I don't have any more, baby. I don't have any more. Stormy. There's no more pecans. There's no more pecans, baby. I don't have any. I don't have any. I don't have any. You want to wait here? Alright, here. Let me see if Mama's got any in there. Alright. Let me see if Mama's got any in there. Alright, Stormy? Alright, you gonna go? Who's that over there? Sweet pea. Let me see if Mama's got some. Stormy. Yeah. Here she comes. All right, Mama. You may be going to get it. We do have more pecans inside, about a half a bag, 5-pound bag. We gotta be sparing, although we have a delivery coming tomorrow. We know how that goes. It could be Sunday, it could be Monday. Who's that? Who is that down there? Who is that? Want a peanut? See if she grabs a peanut. No? Yeah. You want to take it from my hand? No? You don't want to take it from my hand? Come on. Come on. All right, here. That's a good one. Yeah. I hadn't seen Speedy in over a week. I'm starting to get worried. There's so many videos with Speedy, and we haven't seen him in a little bit. We got so many squirrels out here. Speedy was one of my favorites. Hoping he's okay. She's okay. Maybe she just had babies. What's the matter? You want a pecan? Yeah. Here you go. Take it from me. Here you go. Oh my gosh, that's the new one. It's the second one he took from me. Little Bonnie. little chunk of lunk out there. And the birds, they're scooping up all the peanuts too. Thursday afternoon in squirrel land. I gotta get going. Been a great week so far. Oh, be nice. Hey, no fighting up there, guys. Yeah, go get a little one. Oh, he got one. He got away. There you go, little one. He got away, too. Snatch and go. You can't let these bigger ones bully you. Everybody's got to eat. Alright, guys. Let me get inside. I got a few things I got to do. Beautiful day.